I have to say, is a really good side dish for any type of meat that you make.
Absolutely, and a lot of people find it challenging, but it's really not that hard. It's in a pot, very easy. It takes 60 minutes to cook, foolproof.
Perfect.
All right?
I love rice pilaf.
With cooking isto cres,
Now you're
chicken
hungry.
and rice, you need, get hungry again.
Me too, I'm getting hungry. Should we start?
Let's make some easy, yes.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
do it.
Ciao. Recipe today, we have 2 cups of the long grain parboiled rice. This rice you should always rinse. Why? They got so much arsenic in our ground that also shows up in the rice. So 1 good rinse and you're good. Into our pot. Now what we're going to do is add the rest of our ingredients into our pot. I'm going to go with 1/2 cup oil. You can put olive oil, like a light one. You can put a vegetable oil. You can put butter, some sort of good fat. My recipe calls for 2.5 teaspoons per cup of rice. So we're going to put 5 teaspoons of this stuff. And this is a vegetable bouillon. I'm going to hold back a little bit so we don't make it salty. When the rice is done, I can taste. I can always add a little bit of a bouillon or salt to fix that up. We need some fresh ground pepper. At this point also, let's say you want to add a vegetable into your rice pilaf. It's not going to change the ratio of our rice. You can dice up some red pepper, slice mushrooms, and now finally what we need is 5 cups of hot water, okay? If you have hot stock, that's great as well. There we go. We have 5 cups of our liquid, and we're going to put it on our stove top. You can put it on high, and once it comes up to a boil, we are going to lower the heat. Our rice is up to a boil, okay? I'm going to lower the heat to, let's say, just below medium. You're going to put the lid on and set your timer for 16 minutes. 16 minutes have lapsed. This is what you're going to see with your rice. The liquid's gone, you got those bubbles. Take it off the heat. Put the lid back on. Let's count now. We're going to put another 8 minutes on our timer. 8 minutes have lapsed. And our rice is rested, cooked. All that's left for us to do before serving is just get a fork and fluff it up. Look at these fluffy, fully cooked kernels of rice. That's it. Rice pilaf in 16 minutes.
Easy peasy. Let's see how it tastes now.
Perfect.
Add a little ground pepper. Why not?
I don't know about you guys, but I love a nice thick Greek yogurt to go with my rice. Okay. All right.
I'm excited.
Try some of the yogurt too.
Oh yeah.
Isn't that nice? The combination of the yogurt and the rice.
This is great.
You can serve the rice with like calamari stew.
Oh yeah.
It's fantastic.
And so easy. And you're gonna love it.
Yes.
And we're gonna keep eating.
Yum, yum, yums. See how nice it is?
Uh-huh.